Is it just me who wants to read all the new books at once but khatam ek bhi nahi ho rahi? Hi, I'm the slowest reader on a mission to glamorize books and bookstores so much so that reading becomes the new cool. Welcome back to my channel, and today's video I am doing a huge book haul. तो मैं पहली बार इस तरह की वीडियो कर रही हूँ, बट बिफोर आई स्टार्ट द वीडियो प्लीज नोट दिस वेरी केयरफुली दैट आई डिडंट बाय ऑल दीज बुक्स एट वंस। मैं बल्क बाइंग बिल्कुल नहीं करती हूँ, ना ही मैं वो प्रमोट करती हूँ। आई बॉट ऑल दीज बुक्स, जो भी मैं आपको इस वीडियो में दिखाऊंगी, एट डिफरेंट टाइम्स फ्रॉम डिफरेंट प्लेसेस, बट all these books are brand new, very unique, very different from each other, and each one of them has a story attached to it that I'm pretty excited to share with you. So grab a coffee and let's start yapping. The first book I have is The Door to Door Bookstore. Oh my god, भाई इस बुक में मुझे जो स्टील डील मिली है, trust me you will get jealous. As you can see, it's a very good quality hardcover book, जो कि I guess अभी online available भी नहीं है, but just guess how much I got it for. मात्र 200 रुपए। So a couple of months ago मैं एक बुक फेयर गई थी जहां पे काफी बड़ा सेल था, लाइक ऑल द बुक्स वर एट ह्यूज डिस्काउंट्स बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ दोज बुक्स वर ओल्ड एंड सेकेंड हैंड बुक्स। बट आई एम अ प्रो बुक शॉपर। ऐसे सीआईडी जैसे छानबीन करके एकदम नीचे वाली रो से कोने में आई फाउंड दिस हार्ड कवर ब्यूटी एट 50% ऑफ। भाई जो विक्ट्री वाली फीलिंग आई है मुझे, मैं तुम्हें क्या बताऊं। Also, I love reading books about books or books about bookstore. So this is definitely going to be my morning book. The next book we have is Finlay Donovan is Killing It. Guys, just look at this cover. I mean, I don't know why, but I love these kinds of cover. So I am a through and through thriller kanya. I love reading thriller books, but most of the thriller books के जो cover होते हैं, they are very dark, intense, and serious for obvious reasons. But I love thriller books जो कि होते तो डार्क हैं, but their cover is very fun, quirky, and colorful. Just like this one. I know it's silly, but it is what it is. Plus, it's pink. Cherry on the cake. And when I saw great reviews for this book, I immediately ordered it. It's supposed to be fun and dark, so let's see how it goes. The next book I have is Part of Your World by Abby Jimenez. So again, I have a very beautiful story behind how I got this book. So usually जब कोई घूमने जाता है, some people explore new food, some people explore new cafes, some people explore new culture. I, on the other hand, explore bookstores. So I have this thing that whenever I will go to a new place, I want to visit the bookstore of that place and buy a book as a memory of that entire trip, so that when I come back and look at that book, I am reminded of my trip. So that's kind of my definition of traveling. तो कुछ टाइम पहले when I went to देहरादून, I obviously visited a bookstore जो कि एक मॉल में था. So I wasn't expecting much, but oh my god, that bookstore was the most beautiful bookstore I have ever seen. मतलब मेरा बस चलता तो मैं वहाँ पूरा दिन रुक सकती थी. It was so beautiful, so cozy, so aesthetic. And obviously I got this book from that bookstore. मैंने already इस author की एक और book पढ़ी है, Just for the Summer, and oh my god, that book was my 5-star romance book. I loved that book so much. So obviously when I saw this book there, I just grabbed it instantly. Now, the next book I have is the most gorgeous Indian book I own. It's a special edition of one of the most popular Desi romance book. Yes, you guessed it right. It's Lemon Sweets by Shrishti Chaudhary. I mean, when I hold it like this, it genuinely feels like a mithai ka dabba, and I'm just obsessed with it. वैसे तो ये book काफी time से popular है and it's an Indian bestseller, but unfortunately मैंने इसे पहले नहीं पढ़ा था. But as soon as I saw कि इसका ये वाला edition release होने वाला है, I was like, it's a sign from universe and I have to get it. And the best part, it is so affordable because it's an Indian hardcover book. तो अगर आप इसे फॉरेन के हार्ड कवर या स्पेशल एडिशन के बुक से कंपेयर करोगे तो इट इज वेरी वेरी अफोर्डेबल. आप इसे खरीद सकते हो, which makes me so happy because Indian readers deserve special edition books too. The next book I have is again a Desi rom-com. Just अभी अभी ताजा ताजा ये बुक रिलीज हुई है इसी महीने जुलाई में. It's called Love Undercover by Astha Roy. तो इस बुक के बारे में मुझे इंस्टाग्राम से ही पता चला. द ऑथर वाज शोइंग दिस बुक और जैसे ही उन्होंने ये कवर मुझे दिखाया, I was instantly hooked. I instantly placed a pre-order then and there because this cover, this beautiful cover, reminded me so much of 2000s Bollywood rom-com movies. So this book is an enemies to lover workspace romance. It has forced proximity and all these tropes I love very very much. But मैं usually foreign romance books में ये tropes पढ़ती हूँ. So when an Indian book was doing something like this, of course I had to get my hands on that. The next book that I have is the most expensive book in this entire lot. Although it is very mehenga, but it doesn't look very mehenga, which makes me very sad because I paid so much. It at least should look mehenga. The book I'm talking about is What Lies Between Us by John Mars. भाई मुझे बहुत टाइम से जॉन मार्स की बुक पढ़नी थी. I have heard that he is one of the best thriller authors, and as a thriller kanya, of course that excited me. But unfortunately, his books are very expensive. Offline तो मिलती ही नहीं है, and online it's too expensive. मुझे ये बुक 800 रुपए की पड़ी है. 800 रुपए. Yes. बट बिकॉज ही इज अ वेरी सेलिब्रेटेड थ्रिलर ऑथर, सो ऐसे दिल पे पत्थर रख के मैंने ये बुक खरीद ली. लेट्स सी इज ही रियली वर्थ द हाइप और नॉट. बहुत महंगी पड़ी है भाई. द नेक्स्ट बुक आई हैव इज अगेन अ देसी रोम कॉम, एंड ऑनेस्टली आई जस्ट एडेड दिस बुक टू माई कार्ट solely and wholly because of the title, which is Love Edits and Extra Cheese by Disha Seth. So one day I was browsing Amazon and I was looking for Desi rom-coms, and Amazon only suggested me this book, and as soon as I read the title of this book, I was sold. Like every word of this title is my favorite. I love love, I love editing stuff, I love extra cheese. Plus the guy in this book, the main guy in this book, is an international chef. The woman is a ghostwriter, and they both are bonding over desi khana. I had to get it, guys. I had to get it. The next book I have is my very recent purchase. It's called The People on Platform Number 5. So if you have seen this video of mine, you would realize that I went to the Penguin Book Fair, which was organized in Delhi. It was one of the largest book fair, and they had the widest collection of Penguin books. It was a great experience. If you want to watch that vlog, I will put the link in my description below. You can check it out. तो वहीं उसी बुक फेयर से मैंने ये वाली बुक खरीदी. आई रियली वांटेड टू ट्राई दिस ऑथर फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम, and when I saw that there was only one single copy of this book in that fair, I was like, yeah, that's my sign to get this book, and I did. Moving on to the next book, which is an adult romance book, King of Gluttony by Anna Huang. This book is a part of a series called King of Sins. This is, I think, the second last book of that series, and I have read all the books in the series till now. So obviously, I had to get this book. One of the reasons why I was very excited to get this one was because इसमें जो main female character है, she is an Indian, Maya Singh. And of course, अगर मेरे पास इस series की already 4 book है, तो मैं 5वीं खरीदूंगी ही खरीदूंगी. It's a reader thing. If you have already read 4 books of a series, you can't just not buy the 5th one. है ना? It's a crime. I'm already halfway through the series, and let's see how it goes. And the final book I have is the best quality of book I have ever received online. The book is called Wrong Place, Wrong Time. So as a thriller kanya, I'm always on a hunt to find good thriller books, और ये वाली book भी काफी highly rated है और काफी time से मेरे ये Amazon की कार्ट पे पड़ी थी. But I was about to buy the paperback version of this book, लेकिन उसी वक्त मैंने देखा कि इसका हार्ड कवर was at just rupees 550. Without thinking for a second, I got the hard cover, and oh my god, what a steal deal it was, because right now this same hard cover on Amazon is costing 3,500 rupees. Yeah, I got really lucky. I think I was at right place, right time. And पता है यूजुअली जब मैं Amazon से बुक ऑर्डर करती हूँ तो वैसे पतले से ब्राउन कलर के कवर में आती है और बहुत बार तो बुक्स मुड़ भी जाती है. बट this book came with triple layer protection, and I love collecting hardcover books, and this one is just so good. It's huge. The cover is matte finish, the printing is 3D, the pages are premium quality, the font is huge, the papers are floppy too, and the feeling of holding this book is just too good to explain. I think only readers will understand this. And that's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what do you think about my collection, and if you have read any of these books, I would love to know your thoughts. And if you enjoyed this video, if you like my content, please consider supporting and subscribing to this book Tanya, and I will see you in the next one. God, this is very heavy.